Snapper XD82V Max Cordless Electric 19. Up to 90 minutes runtime with 2 Briggs & Stratton 82V lithium-ion 2.0 batteries. Kit comes with 2 2.0 lithium-ion batteries and rapid charger. 19-inch steel mowing deck with 3-in-1 design mulch, bag, or side discharge grass clippings easily. Smart, efficient load sensing technology power adjusts to meet the demands of the cutting blades. Push-button start and a single lever, 7-position height of cut adjustment. Compact vertical storage capability saves room in a garage or shed. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.